Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. I'm Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give y'all a pep talk in a 1-minute-ish video. Welcome back, writers. We're back with new Motivational Minutes. Happy new writing year. Before I talk a little bit about a change coming to Motivational Minute, I just wanted to take a second to talk about being really intentional with your writing goals this year. And I like to call this the relaxed writing plan. Time and time again, I have talked to writers about goal setting. As you all know, I've been running the Write Gym program for over 5 years now. And actually, we're in our 6th year. And one of the things that I like to tell writers is that you don't have to rush into setting your writing goals. I know in January, there's this huge push to be, very goal-oriented, to set resolutions, to, make a plan about what you're going to do for the year. And I actually like to take my time and really sit with my goals. And I actually usually spend the entire month of January setting goals and really thinking about what I want to accomplish in my writing life for the given year. Now, I always tend to be overly ambitious, of course, which is totally fine. But you might find that, maybe you just really want to focus on a few key goals because those are the things that you think you can get done. I talk a lot more about this inside the gym, so I'm not going to go into a whole big thing here about how to goal set. But I did want to encourage you to actually slow down this month and really take your time and figure out what you want to do with your writing journey this year, where you want to be by the end of the year. And you don't have to feel rushed. The social media has a way of making us feel like we have to do things, especially when you look around and you see everybody posting about their goals. And it's totally fine. This is no shade. Totally fine if people know what they want to, they have an idea of what they want to do for the year writing wise, and they post their stuff and that's it. They know, right? That's fine. But I also want to speak to the writer that likes to be a little bit slower, like me. It's okay to take your time and to really think about what you want to do this month. So it's fine. Have a relaxed writing plan. And whatever it is, I wish you all the best. I'm wishing you a fantastic 2023. And please feel free to reach out and keep up with us. I would like to keep up with you as well. So definitely comment whenever you want to about, what goals you're setting, or you can tell me when you hit a goal. I love hearing about your successes. So feel free to reach out. Now, just really quick, Motivational Minute, and this one's going a bit longer than usual, but I just wanted to tell you all that we'll probably be dropping down to about every other week this year, just because I have so much on my plate, and my writing career has been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes that I can't talk about, but I need to take time to be able to do that. And I still want to be here inspiring you all, motivating you, educating you about writing. But in order to do that well, I need to tone down some of the things. So we'll still be here, and I'll probably still have like bonus weeks where, you get one when you're not supposed to, but just know that the regular schedule will be once every other week instead of every week. All right. Thank you all so much for being here, being part of the Writers Atelier community, watching our videos, subscribing to our channel. And if you're new here, please feel free to join us. We have a free online community. And of course, you can subscribe right here on YouTube. And we're here doing stuff pretty much every week, even though its schedule is kind of hard to explain. But you can expect videos at least from us each week. They just may not be motivational minutes. All right, everybody, thanks so much, and have a great writing year. Can't wait to hear about all the things you're going to accomplish, and see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.